why I just can't get it with you. When my name on it, when I wanna go now.
Okay, SOS family, gather around and have a sweet seat because y'all been like, yo Simon, what is that slow motion airwalk thing you do in the intro of your videos? It looks pretty sick. Well, it's called a typewriter and it's a pretty difficult exercise or trick to pull off, so pay close attention to this tutorial. Now in this clip you see me do 10 straight pull-ups with my thumb over the bar. The reason why my thumb is over the bar is because it makes it easier for me to do the lockout during the typewriters, okay? If your thumb is wrapped around the bar, not only will you be using more forearms in the pull-up, which will tire out your forearms pretty fast, but you will not be able to lock out during the typewriter. It will just make the typewriter a lot harder than it really is. Now, in this clip you see me doing the isometric hold at the top. Try to do the isometric hold at the top for as long as you possibly can, and then lower yourself as slowly as possible. This is going to be one of the primary ways to develop the control over your pull-ups. Just being able to rep out pull-ups does not mean you're going to be able to master your typewriters. Control is probably the most important thing when it comes to typewriters, which is why you see me doing slow pull-ups in this clip right here. Now, in the next clip, you're going to see me doing archer pull-ups. The reason why I do the archer pull-ups is so that I get used to holding my body up primarily with one arm at a time, because some people just they're not comfortable with that. So if you're not comfortable with doing these archer pull-ups, you're not gonna have a good time doing the typewriters, okay? So get comfortable at doing these, practice doing these regularly, and your typewriter should come pretty fast. Now in this clip, this is what the typewriter really is, okay? Not the airwalk thing that you guys see me do. That's just me freestyling. Look at my arms, look how I lock out, and look at how my hand goes over the bar. You get what I'm saying? So practice doing this. Make sure you do not wrap your thumb around the bar, and make sure you practice locking out, okay? So give it a try, tell me what you think, and I'll talk to y'all next time. Done.